Good morning, hope you're all well. McLaren's coming along well. Now it's time to get some decals down. Basically, I don't use anything special, just normal decal solutions that you can get from any decent hobby shop. In fact, let me have a look if I can put my hands on it. As you can tell, I've done no planning for this. There we are. Microscale Industries Micro Salt and Micro Set. I've got a tin of hot water here on a coffee warmer to keep the water warm to release the glue on the back of the decal sheet, and that's what needs to be done today. Then tomorrow, once everything's dried out, I can get some 2K down on it, bring the lustre and the shine out in the paint that we did, and then it's I've got to get the chassis, the suspension, the engine built, all that put together. I've got the camera balancing on two big tubs of thinners, so hopefully it's going to give a decent view down onto the bench, and probably my fat belly that I've got to get worked on. Right then, let's get stuck in, eh? Bye bye. Right, let's get started. Not many decals for this model, because unfortunately Goodyear didn't give the permission to put their graphics on the car, neither did Marlboro, for obviously cigarette sponsorship. But I think I'm going to start on this side. So I have Tamiya decal scissors and Tamiya decal tweezers, highly recommended. Just get myself set up. .24. Start water, well, tepid water. Bit of tissue paper, kitchen towel. Earbuds, or as it's called if you're in America, a Q-tip. Goes on there. Micro set. Looks about right to me. Right, that's the bar tagging bit. I'll put my scissors down. Powered by Honda. An engine reputed to give up to 1500 horsepower in qualifying mode. So you're putting the micro set down, tweezers, take a bit of excess water off on the kitchen towel. There we go. Now what I'm going to do, Q-tip, make sure everything's in position. Try and draw some of the excess liquid off. There we are. Rinse that brush off. Now we're going to put the microsol on, which softens the transfers, makes them actually mildly melt. Removed loose wine. Right then. Now, with the paint we did yesterday, that's starting to look apart now. There's a load more to do, so I will end this portion here and I'll edit it in when I've done the rest of the car. I'm not going to have another mega long video. I'll see you when it's all done. See you later. Right, we're back. All the videoing? My brain's not working today. I need more coffee. All the decaling's been done now. And, right, the ones on the rollover hoop. I don't know if it's going to zoom in on that. It's a little Ayrton Senna and Hugo Boss advert on the roll hoop. The rear wing end plates and the body. that looks the part now, really does. Now, little bits on the top there for the electrical cutouts that the Brave Orange Army, the marshals, the most Grand Prix circuits would have to go for when the car breaks down. Right, that's it now for this part. I've got to let those dry for a number of hours. Camera's flicking out to the light, don't know why. That's because I've got a neat lamp on in the background. That might be better. That's got to dry, then it's 2K time, which is the same kind of paint as I use to make cars shiny. It's very vicious stuff. It's apparently, from what I've been told, it's based on super glue, but that's why I have the respirator, the extractor fans. But this is the part that really brings the shine out on these paints. Then that's going to have 2 or 3 days to cure. While that's happening, I can get the chassis done, and then it's not far finished. I've got one black line that's got to be done in matte black around the side of the car, so that's going to take more masking, but that's got to be done when the 2K is dried, or else they come out gloss rather than matte or semi-gloss. Right, once again, thank you for watching. If you like it, please hit the like button, it's that thumb thingy, and if possible, if you enjoy this kind of thing, I've got more models to do. I also do other things. I love cars and transport. I've got trains at the bottom of the garden. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe if you can. The more subscribers I get, the chance I've got of even monetising this channel. And if you want other people to give you tips, I highly recommend Barbatos Rex. He's an American YouTuber, old modelling, but he does a lot of robots. And Paul Bretland, who's better known on YouTube, I'll actually watch him now. International Scale Modeller. My brain and tongue's not working today. International Scale Modeller, or Paul ISM. Anyway, cheers, thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.